We'll leave a link to this app in the description of this video and in the pinned comment. You can download this app using that link. Once you install the app, you can open it and it will ask you for the invite code.
You can use my invite code.
And you will be credited with 300,000 coins. So as you can see, I am about to play the first level of this game. And to start playing, all I need to do is tap on the screen and the game will start. So all we have to do is to collect as many positive green dollar signs as possible and try to avoid the red and negative numbers as much as possible. And if there is no choice to avoid them, just choose to mess with the small negative numbers. One thing you must have noticed is that you are continuously shooting $1 straight to the number in front of you. Whether your own number is positive or negative, you will keep shooting the positive $1 to the numbers in front of you. And this will increase the positive number and it will decrease the negative red number, which is really awesome. And as you can see, I have completed the first level. Now the good thing is that you can increase your earnings by 4 times by just pressing this claim button at the right time. So let me press this just right now. And I have got a chance to multiply my earnings by 4 times by just watching this ad. And after the ad, I will be credited with the money I earned in my balance on top right corner. Now I am on the second level. So now let me complete the second level. So let's tap on the screen. The level here are almost similar, so they don't really get any difficult. The 2 important things you need to keep in mind while playing the game is that you don't try to mess with the red negative numbers just like you are seeing on the screen right now. And the second thing is if you don't destroy these black pillars with your $1 shots, they will immediately kill your money and your level will fail. And as you can see, I have completed the second level too, and now I can again multiply my earnings here by 3 times more money. And you can see that the same has been credited to my account after I finished watching the ad. Now I am on the third level, so let's start playing this level also, and let's see what we earn from here. As you can see, I have completed this level, so let's multiply our earnings by 4 times again by watching this ad, and I have been credited with the money. Now, let me share with you some bonus ways to earn money with this game. So first of all, you can spin this wheel and earn money. So let's click on the spin button, watch an ad. And as you can see, I have won $1,000 points by spinning the wheel. And the same has been credited to my balance in front of you guys. Another bonus to increase your earnings is to spend some amount of your earnings on these 3 features of this game, which can help you to multiply your earnings 10 times. And the last bonus to increase your earnings is to click on this icon over here. As you can see, you can invite a friend, share your referral code with them, and as soon as they use your referral code, you will be credited with $100,000 coins in your balance for every friend you refer, which is really amazing. Now let me play this game so that I can share with you the withdrawal proof from this game. So let's wait. So as you can see, I have earned a total of 10 million coins on my balance by just playing this game for a day, and 1 million coins are equal to $1. Now I can withdraw my earnings by clicking on this money icon on the left, so let's click on it. As you can see, I can withdraw anywhere from $2 up to $10 depending on my balance. And because I have over 10 million coins, I can withdraw $10 from here. Then you just have to choose the different payment methods available here, but I love PayPal the most, so I am going with it. Then you just need to enter your PayPal email here and enter your phone number registered with your PayPal account in the next box, and just click confirm. After that, we just need to wait for 10 business days, so let's wait for it. And as you can see, I have been credited with $10 in my PayPal account, which was sent by Dollar Shooter. Once again, I will leave a link to this play to earn gaming app in the description of this video, and in the pinned comment, you can download it from there and start to earn money by playing this game, okay? So like this video.
And don't forget to subscribe for more tips on how to make money online without any investment.